Kandiat singi hadian bo MP ke Shillong seat hak ju upor badairu Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H Pala ula aji roy sembut mitrang ba ke jela halo ke jingsim khia halo ki high level ba perston ten song ulong ke jingsisha kata ke high level kamsem lan satya habai kerem ba kilap thai kubor usembut mitrang ba ke jela ba perston ten song ulong menta omdon su ki bakhi be anyu duyong bat la dalam nakalyang jong ke sarkar kan phak kem ye ki brio ki brem kti bat kurup ikitrok bakit duyong.
Well, the intention is very clear from the government side, be it the last term or be it this new term. But I'm very clear about it. That so-called high-level committee should not be there. And in fact, on the ground, it is not there. And I'll make sure that zero level prevails throughout the state of Meghalaya.
So that means there is no more illegal transportation of coal, sir?
No, nothing. Whoever transport or whoever taking the movement of coal trucks on the road, they'll be seized and they'll be arrested as per law. Well, see, even CISF that time, in fact, we have already requested from the government of India, but they cannot provide us the services of these people. So again, even with this order force, I still don't know yet whether they'll be able to provide us the services of these people or not. So right now I can't say anything. Well, see, don't compare between the Honorable High Court's order and the duty of the state government. As I said to you, we are here to make sure that any illegal movement or any illegal mining should not at all take place throughout the state.